They can help me. I need help. Daddy. Let's go. Daddy. Daddy. Can you go up so you can to show me where do I need to go? Go near you. So far! Wow! Yeah! Daddy, don't you fall down. The water is going up, down, left, right. Where is it going? Plastic area. Where? Where is that? 1, 2, 3. Cheers. Ooh. Yeah.
Drink.
The right. From the right. Yeah. From the right. From the right. Hi dear. Oh dear.
Bye-bye, dear.
Bye bye dear. Is it the deer horn? That's a camouflage. Because the tiger camouflaging. The tiger is big and fat and he eats too much that I can finish in one day. But it's too fat. You go there first. Go. Richard. You go to that end first. Hi. Whoa. Now let's go to a cool place. Nice clean. I clean my hands. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Hi. I heard the monkey sound. I told mommy and Mimi that I can go already, and so I did it.
All right.
I'll give you a 5 first. Okay, I'm going back now to find my Mimi. Maybe you can do it. Maybe you can do it. Hi, Daddy. I'm the last one. Hi, Mom. Hi, Daddy. I'm the last one. I said I'm not going to force her to be quick. I'm not. Yes. I'm going to give her space. I'll show you the bit of funny man. I can balance. I'm balancing. We are so far ahead. This is funny. Run, go. Yeah. Daddy.
Daddy?
Mm.
Okay.